Hello everyone, my name is Lacey Noel and welcome to another makeup tutorial of mine. Today I will be doing a look that's very heavily inspired by my favorite Sanderson sister from the movie Hocus Pocus, Sarah Sanderson. And I'm super excited to get this whole look together because I have a costume it's over there. I'm excited to put it on, but I didn't try it on with the makeup yet, so let's get into it. So I will be doing this makeup with the X's and O's palette from ColourPop, which is exclusively available at Ulta, and it came out on September 1st, so it's available now, and it retails for $16. And you get 12 beautiful shades, 5 shimmers, and 6 mattes, and this looks like a shimmer as well. Absolutely beautiful. And I will be using this to give myself a little bit of a smoky eye for this look, as I am going to dip into Issues and put that all over my lids. And that's a really pretty peachy color. Yeah, I love this color. I love light colors like this. And then next we are going to dip into, I think we're going to dip into Stay Golden, which is a nice mauve color. And just kind of put that along the edge. Now I'm starting with the lighter colors before I get into the darker colors because that's just how I roll. And it's kind of playing on the safe side of things because I want to make sure everything's nicely blended without there being too much fallout or anything like that. And I'm just going to blend that out. And then you can also sweep it to the side just a little bit. And once you have that, you can go and dip into a deeper color. And for this, I'm going to use Realness, which is a nice deep brown. I'm going to lightly pack it in on the edges of my lid. And then you just want to blend the darker edges in with the lighter edges. And now we're going to go into a deeper shade. This one is Reckless, and this is like a deep burgundy. And finally, I'm going to add a little bit of 101 from the Misunderstood palette, just to give it more of that darker kind of smoky eye look. And we're going to put the same shades on the under eyes as well. I'm putting on Stay Golden. And then blending that out as I go. So first I went in with Stay Golden, and now I'm going in with Realness. I'm going to use a little bit more of Stay Golden to just blend those together. I'm also going to use my Graftobian eye pencil and go right in the waterline. And I'm just touching up the black shadow real quick. And now that we have that, I'm actually going to put some glitter on it. So we're going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and we're going to put a little bit on the lid, and then I think I'm going to use, let's use Onyx from Martha Stewart's glitters. It's a nice fine glitter. We're going to stick a little bit of this just around the lid. Just lightly dab it all over. And then lightly press the glitter right where the glue is. Ooh, that's pretty. And if you have extra glitter on the sides, you can just dust it off with a brush. That is beautiful. I love that. And then next with the lash, I don't think that top liner is that necessary because you know, the glitter is pretty dark in itself. So I'm just gonna go and stick the lash on. These are actually Kiss lashes from CVS, and they're in the style garter. They're really good. I love them. They're like my go-to lash if I am in desperate need of lashes. But they're really good. They're very reliable, and they're reusable too. And then I'll wait for this lash to dry, and then I'm gonna do this eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I'm done with the eyes, I am gonna go in with the lips. I am using Burgundy from MAC as a lip pencil, and then I'm using two of Inkavolation shades, which are Mezzanote, which is a beautiful, rich, deep plum color. It's that. And then I'm going to mix it a little bit with Madrid, which is a nice, deep, rich red. On Mezzanote. And now that I have that, I'm going to go right into Madrid. Now, I'm not going to put too much of this on here, but what I'm going to do is put it more towards the center of the, the center of the eyes, the center of the mouth, and then blend it out with my finger. Oh, and also if you were wondering why my fingernail's green, is because I was painting earlier. And I think these two colors are perfect for Sarah Sanderson. I know that, you know, it's not exactly how she had her makeup, but this is more of like a, like an updated version of her makeup. Because the next thing that I'm going to do is contour, and then I'm going to add her infamous beauty mark. I know I've already contoured just a little bit, but I'm gonna make it a little bit more heavy towards some parts because I want the cheekbones to definitely exaggerate it just a tad. I mean, it is a Halloween costume. And then I'm going to put just the slightest bit of, let's see, just the slightest bit of white powder on my cheekbones too. Just to make them pop more. And some right here. I'm gonna contour my nose just a bit too. And I'm using the shade Sickening from the Manny Emiway Life's a Drag palette. And I'm just lightly tapping it on the sides of my nose. And then I'm just going to blend all of that down the sides. And then I'm going to also add some more highlight to the cheekbones that is actually a little bit more luminous. I'm using Luna from the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This has been through a lot. I'm gonna put a little bit right here, a little more over here, a touch there, a touch there. And before I finish this whole thing, I cannot forget her birthmark. There we are. I think she turned out cool. I'm excited to have the costume on as well as the makeup too. Alright, I'll see you guys when I have the whole ensemble together. So this is the complete look. I am so happy with this. With the hair and with the costume, it's just, everything's so perfect. This would have never been able to happen without the amazing work of Emily Betts. Her Instagram is emily.b17, and she is the mastermind behind this costume. It is absolutely incredible. Every single little detail, every single little everything, there's just so much thought put into it, and I am absolutely astonished by her work, and I highly recommend you go check her out. She's super talented. I wish I could do this. And she got everything down from like the spider web sleeves to even she even did the bloomers. And she did the embroidery on the corset, and it's just, everything is just so on point with this, and I am in love. She didn't make the thigh highs or the shoes, but I'm in love with the shoes too. I've always wanted a cute little pair of witch shoes. They're so cute, and they're really cozy too. It's so cute! I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Before I forget, with my ColourPop palette, if you guys want to order anything from ColourPop, Please use my code, which is 5Lacey, to get $5 off your $20 purchase or more. And also, if you want to, you can go over to my Instagram and see the rest of my makeup looks and the other kinds of artistry that I have. And you can also follow me on Twitter to see what I rant about. And also on my Etsy, where you can see more of my paintings and even commission me for a piece of art. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.